Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3750i. It's a multifunctional printer. We're going to set this printer up, take the power cable, go to the back of the printer, and connect it to this port, push it inside. Plug it into the socket. Switch the printer on and off from this button. So this button is Wi-Fi button, this is information button, and this button is wireless connect button, and this button is for you to select the particular paper you want to use. When you select the paper, then you select OK. This button is cancel button. This button is for you to copy black. This button is for you to copy color. Now what we want to do is for us to load the paper tray. So this printer is using rear paper tray. Go at the back, adjust the holder and load the paper. So this is how to load the paper. I'm going to show you how to install the ink cartridges. These are the ink cartridges it's using. Open this. Then open up. Pull off. Make sure you don't touch this contact chip. Then you go in. The black goes on the right. So pull down, push down the holder. Then you go in, pull it up. Black goes to the right. Colored one goes to the left. Go in, pull it up, the holder, make sure it's not falling off, then close the cover, then you wait. So this is how to load the paper tray and also install the ink cartridges. The ink is warming up. And if you look here, you can see the Wi-Fi light is flashing and the paper is showing us A4 paper for real paper. If you want to print out document, stick the document on the glass scanner. Make sure the document starts from the left. Then you select copy. Okay, so how are you? So this is the document we printed out. So this is how to load the rear paper tray and also install the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.